So it's asking, is the expression x, I believe it's x cubed, I want to say. So x cubed, because x cubed times x cubed times x cubed equivalent to, equivalent to, this would be x cubed times 3 times c. And it says why or why not, explain your reasoning. Okay. So it's asking, does this equal this, right? So it does x cubed times, I'm going to rewrite this, times x cubed equal x cubed times 3 times 3. So I'm going to rewrite this question because this looks really, really, really messy. So it's asking, is this expression equivalent to each other? I wrote here equals, equal. So take a moment to think about this. Again, they already have the solution here. So if you want to take a sneak peek and look at that works as well. But I'm going to walk you through why I believe the answer is, I guess in this case, no, or how to prove that this question this is not equivalent to each other. So take a moment to think about this. All right, so I hope you had enough time to figure this out. What we're going to do is we're going to, this is the topic of exponent laws, right? So if I have here x cubed times x cubed times x cubed, whenever I have the same base, and I'm multiplying the same base by the same bases. So again, this case the base is x, and x. If we have all the same bases, what I can do is I can add the exponents, right? If I'm multiplying exponents, I can simply just like figuratively add the exponents. So x cubed times x cubed times x cubed equals 3 plus 3 plus 3. Right? I can add the exponents together to get x to the power of 9. So that's my left side here. And then my right side, I have x cubed times 3 and multiplied by 3, right? In this case, I have a different base, right? I have x here and then 3 and 3, right? I have different bases, which means I actually can't add the exponents here. But what I could do is I could say 3 times 3 is 9, right? So I can write here, this is 9 multiplied by x cubed, right? And then, so in this case, x to the power 9 equals 9x cubed, right? So that makes sense. So now we have to say, are these two equal to each other? And in this case, it does not, right? It does not equal to each other. And I'm going to look at the solution here. It says x cubed times 3 times 3 here. It says x equals 33. Is it x to the power of 33? When multiplying base, we multiply. Because the thing is, the formatting is really weird here. I don't know if they're asking me this problem, x cubed times 3, or if it's x cubed to the power of 3 is what I'm implying. But I don't know how they got x to the power of 33 here. So I don't know if this is a problem with formatting here, or if it's the problem with the solution in this case. So let me, I'm gonna go with this one here. And in this case, I have x to the power of 9 equals 9x cubed. In this case, they're not equivalent to each other, right? I have a different exponent here. This is the power of 9, and this is the power of 3, right? In this case, they're not equal to each other, which means the answer is no, right? Therefore, not equivalent. Right? They have different exponents, right? I have one that's a different exponents. This one's a different base as well. This is x and this is 9x, right? Therefore, they're not equivalent. And what we can do is we can actually plug that in, right? Let's, for example, we can check this by saying if x equals, let's say x equals 1. What if x equals 1? So we can do x to the power of 9 equals 9x to the power of 3. And we can substitute 1, right? So 1 to the power of 9, 1 to the power of 9 equals 9 times 1 to the power of 3. 1 to the power of 9 is simply just 1. 9 times 1 to the power of 3. 1 to the power of 3 is just 1, or 9 cubed. 1 equals 9. This is not a thing, right? 1 equals 9 is not a thing. So therefore, it's not equivalent. So that's just a little check that it's not equivalent, right? For you, if you're a skeptic about this. But I'm looking at this solution here, and I'm actually very, very curious because it says here, this is correct here, the left side here, but the right side looks very odd. How'd you get x to the power of 27? That makes no sense here. I have 9x cubed in this case. So I believe it's x cubed times 3 times 3 is my impression of this question. But they have here x to the power of 33. Like, this step does not make sense to me. There's no mathematical operation that says here x cubed equals x cubed times 3 does not equal x to the power of 33. So I think they messed up their exponent laws here, whoever the student is from the University of Pennsylvania. But that's definitely not the answer here. The left side is totally wrong. X to the power of 27 is not like not a thing here. Maybe it's I think what they so maybe it's x to the 93, or maybe I think they're saying x to the 3 times 9 is what they're implying here, which means x equals 27. Okay, maybe that's why. I think that's what they're implying here. I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt here. Maybe it's, I think the question was maybe 3 times 3 times 3. I think maybe that was the question here. Because then I could multiply these to get x to the 27. I think that might be the problem here. So that's fine, actually. It just depends on the formatting in this case, right? So I think either way, the question it's not equivalent, right? Because what if I change this question to, again, now I have here, if I follow this guy's formatting, because again, I don't know if the formatting doesn't tell me anything here. So if I followed his formatting, I would have x to the 9 equals, this would have been x to the cubed times 3 times 3, right? And then what I can do, again, if I'm multiplying, I have here the exponent to the exponent, right? So in this case, I actually have to multiply here. So 3 times 3 times 3 here is 27. And this is not equivalent to each other, right? This here is not equivalent. If I subbed in 1, it would be equivalent for 1, but if I subbed in any other number, 1 or 0 would be equivalent, but any other number would not be equivalent, right? So again, this would be not equivalent, so therefore it's not equivalent to each other. So I think that's what probably the student thought. So I'm going to say that this solution is correct, but the formatting of the question is terrible. So I'm going to say good solution. And then I'm going to say however misleading question due to formatting. And I'm going to say here why, because I have x, was it x to the power of 3? X to the power cubed, was it x cubed times 3 times 3 times 3, or was it x cubed and then it would be separated, so times 3 times 3. So this is different, right? And then again, I can't even say that. I can only write it down, right, as my kind of formatting here. Either way, good solution. I guess in this case they interpreted this way as well. Either way, the expression is not equivalent to each other. So I'm gonna say solution is correct here, but the question was definitely misleading.